Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be beading this very beautiful African shaped beaded earring. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. The materials required are our 0.30 millimeters fishing line. We of course are going to need pliers and earring hooks, and also we are going to need beads. For this case we are going to be using a black, red, green and yellow colors. We snap our fishing line at approximately 16 inches of length and we begin beading. We are going to begin with 2 red beads and 2 black beads, which makes a total of 4, and we crisscross on the red bead like that, and then we continue. Remember, this is the basic pattern that we've been using. Then we continue by picking 2 red beads on either sides, 1 each, and a yellow bead which we crisscross onto like this. Then we proceed. Remember, we are making the length of this earring, and this earring is going to have the shape of Africa's map. So next we have put 1 yellow bead on the right, 1 yellow bead on the left, and a final yellow bead to crisscross onto like that. This is an easy procedure, and also you can make these earrings and manage to sell them to your friends and even to your clients and be able to make some extra income. So aside from this being just a tutorial, it's also something that will give you some skills that can help you earn some money. So you can see we've made that corner, we've put black beads and crisscrossed on the last black bead. Remember, if this is your first time being here, if this is the first tutorial you've ever come across, kindly check out our previous tutorials that we've done. We have several tutorials for beginners and you can find them on our playlist down below. Also, I'll link some of them in the description so you can go and check out some of our basic tutorials on how to do this pattern. For this tutorial, it's for those who have been with us for several tutorials and have already practiced, so you're just going to learn some new designs here. Also, we've based these colors on the reggae colors, the roots, to signify our African roots. Not necessarily that we are reggae fans, but I just feel like the symbolism of roots and the African map blends well. So let me know down on the comment section below what you think about this design. Also, you can tag me on our Facebook or Instagram or Twitter handles. The links to those social media handles are down below on the description. I hope with the progress that we are making, you can see that this is not something that's hard. If you've ever done any of our previous tutorials, this will just be like brushing through and learning how to mix different colors. But as you can see, the pattern is basically exactly the same as what we've been doing Ever since we started like our very first videos, like beading the Kenyan bracelet, this is the same pattern that we've been using. So this is just a new formula of how you can mix the colors together and come out with something like a map or a different blend. And also remember that it's not necessarily a must for you to use the same color combination that I have done here. You can also do your own color combination and still get an end result that you desire. Currently, I'm also working on the next tutorial that will be based on this tutorial that you're watching right now. So I'm going to make a beaded ring based on this African map theme. So kindly stay tuned. That video will be out soon too. It always warms my heart and makes me really happy when I get the constant feedback that from you guys. Recently, someone told me that they came across these tutorials, and prior to that they had been spending the days at home idle, but have since taken up this challenge to learn on how to do beading, and so far they are doing well and even managed to make some pieces and sold to their family and also neighbors. So I'm really happy for you guys, and kindly keep the suggestions and comments coming. I also got some really brilliant suggestions from you guys that I should include my contact details on the description down below for those of you who would like to support us to continue making this type of content, and also for those of you who would like to place your orders. You can check down on the description below. You'd see our contact details, and if you find these videos to be of any value to you, kindly help support this cause. The contact details are down below on the description section, so you can check them out. Reach me out on WhatsApp or on any of our social media pages, and we will get back to you. As you can see, the African map is almost done. We are just left with very little bits, but the general concept, I know it's something that you've been able to learn in this tutorial. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment and share these videos with a lot of people out there. And part of the purposes of this channel is to inspire more people to start beading and be able to make some extra income from their beading, and also to demystify the culture or the thought that art and this form of art cannot help you. So I really am happy that most of you are helping spread these videos out to more and more people, and thank you for doing that. Kindly share these links, these videos with people, so that we can be able to get more people to do beadwork, and also by doing so we will improve the beading culture. As we've always said, in beading, patience pays, and bead by bead, brick by brick, we build up yet another beautiful art piece. So as you can see on the screen right now, the African map has already formed, and we are left with just the black bit. We finish it up and we will have our earring piece. So that's what we are finishing up on. Remember, you need to be very patient, and if you have been doing beadwork before, this is a walk in the park. Let us know in the comment section down below what you'd love to see on the next tutorials, what we can improve on, and you can also support this channel. The contact details will be down below, so you can let us know. You can support us financially or even through your comments and suggestions. They really matter. So as you can see, I'm already done beading that piece, so it's just winding it up. I'm going to put this earring hook. I'm going to use pliers. I open up that loop like that, and then we pass through the earring through there, and then we press it again with the pliers so that it's firm and hooked, and there you have it. Our earring piece is done and ready to be worn. So let's go get someone to try it on.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside